History is not just dates and names, it's stories. Stories of kingdoms that fell and heroes who built their legacy. Secrets hidden from books and events that changed the fate of the world. From battles untold to discoveries that reshaped humanity. Short stories, but their impact lasts forever. Discover history like you've never heard it before. Here, where tales come alive again. In every story, there's a lesson. In every moment, history is written. We tell the past to understand the present and inspire the future. Subscribe now and let the story begin.